Hey girls, thanks for joining. Today we're gonna go over the VLOOKUP formula in Excel. So grab some iced coffee and let's get started.
VLOOKUP is an Excel function to look up data in a table organized vertically. VLOOKUP supports approximate and exact matching and wildcards for partial matches. Lookup values must appear in the first column of the table passed into VLOOKUP. For example, we have this table with the order number in column C as the lookup value. VLOOKUP can get the customer ID, amount, name, and state for any order. For example, to get the name for order 1005, the formula is VLOOKUP F5 C7 G14 for false. In this example, we have a total of 5 columns and are interested to search in column number 4, that is the name of the customer. Can also pass 0 for false and 1 for true in the fourth argument of VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP has 2 modes of matching, exact and approximate, controlled by the fourth argument, range lookup. The word range in this case refers to range of values. When range lookup is true, VLOOKUP will match a range value rather than an exact value. For example, using VLOOKUP with approximate match, we can calculate the commission. In this example, we are using approximate match since we have passed true in the fourth argument. The VLOOKUP is now looking for range of values rather than exact value. Note, if we change the value to $2,500, it's still showing commission of $40, and it will keep showing that until sales are greater than $2,000 and greater than $3,000. If you use VLOOKUP, you will inevitably run into the NA error. The NA error means not found. For example, in the screen below, the lookup value -100 does not exist in the lookup table, and VLOOKUP formula will return NA. VLOOKUP will scan values in column F for the lookup value. If a match is found, VLOOKUP will use it. If not, VLOOKUP will step back and match the previous row. This means table array must be sorted in ascending order by lookup value to use approximate match. VLOOKUP performs an approximate match by default. We can also use VLOOKUP to scan data from other sheets. Let's see this example.
Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something that you can impress your boss with. Like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram at Girls That Excel, and we'll see you next time.